Good cold morning. How's everybody? Hey, I get this question. It's relatively new, but it's on the Google business listing. You can now add your social media links, which I think is really cool, to your Google business listing. As you can see, I have mine opened up here. If you are logged into your Google business profile, then you'll see the profile here. And on the left, you'll see the editing tools. You go to edit profile. You'll get a box. Right here it says social. If you don't have any listed in there, it'll be empty. You click on this guy right here, pencil. You can pick the social footprints. I picked YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. Go copy the URL from those sites. Save. Google will put that in the pending status since I've already done it and they've approved it. And then let me go back and show you what it looks like on your profile. When it's over, after about couple minutes, I'll approve it. And at the bottom of your profile, under your posting, on your knowledge graph, you'll see these links to the content you want to show on your Google business listing. Have a good day. If you don't know Google, don't know Hardy.